The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, DHT11 sensor, relay, DC fan, battery, connecting wires and connecting cable. Now let's see how to set up the KME Smart IoT Cloud. Open Google and search for KME Smart. And click on the first link. So this is the website, and here go to KME config. This KME Smart IoT Cloud will support the boards like ESP32, ESP32S3, ESP32C3, ESP8266, etc. Now here you can see download KME tools. So we need to click on this Windows button and download the software. Once you download, you will get a zip file. So extract this zip file. Click extract. Now open this folder. Here you can see a file named KME_config. So we need to open this exe. Right click from here and select run as administrator. So click on more info and then click run anyway. Here click yes. Now this is the application window. So here go to this serial COM menu. Here I am using ESP32 board. So the one more thing about this IoT cloud, KME Smart IoT Cloud, is we no need to select the board, and the application itself will detect the board automatically. So here we need to just select the port. If you click this arrow, it will show the port where you connected the ESP32 board or the board which you are using. Click on that and click the connect button. Now in the port state you can see connected to COM4. Now we need to upload the firmware. Click this upload firmware button. Now the firmware started uploading. So here you will get ready for config, and also you will get the MAC address and the device ID. In some cases it will show connecting and it will not upload. In that case, once you click this upload firmware button, click the flash button in your ESP32 board and hold that button. So after that it will start uploading. Also, if you are not able to see this MAC or device ID, click this refresh button, and after that you will able to see both the addresses. Now go back to the main page and click the plus button from the top right. So here we are using a relay and the DHT11 sensor. So click this relay and then click DHT. Now here if you can see, the pin output is showing the pin number as 5. But in the circuit we connected the relay to pin number 2 and DHT sensor to pin number 4. So we need to change this pin. So click here and here select 2. Now for DHT click here and here change this to 4, and the DHT sensor which you are using is DHT11. So in the type click here and select DHT11. Now if you want, we can change this button type. To change the button type, click here and you can select the button here. Now the configuration is completed. Now click this upload button and upload the configuration to the ESP32 board. Now the configuration is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board.
Once the configuration is uploaded to the ESP32 board, press and hold the boot button for 5 seconds or until the onboard LED in the board starts blinking. This is to connect the board in the Smart Connect mode.
Now we need to set up the KME Smart Mobile application. For that, download the KME Smart application from the Play Store. Once you install the application, click Open. Before that, we need to connect to Wi-Fi. Now click the plus button from the top right and click Add Device. Here verify the Wi-Fi username and password and click on the Connect button. Now press via Smart Connect. Now here select Add Device and click Save. Now here you can see the temperature and humidity is displayed and also a switch is displayed. Now here click this arrow and then again click the plus button from the top right. So here we need to select automation. Again click the plus button and here we need to add the condition. So if the temperature is above a particular level, we need to turn on the fan, and if it is below a particular level, we need to turn off the fan. Now near to if, press this plus button and here select temperature, and here we can give the condition as if the temperature is greater than 31, we need to turn on the fan. So here select greater than button and we can adjust the temperature. Now click Save. Now in the then condition, click plus and here click the switch and go to settings of the switch and click Turn On and click Save. Now again click the plus button. Again click the plus button next to the if condition. Here again select temperature. Now here select less than symbol, and if the temperature is less than 31, click Save. In the then condition, click plus, select switch, go to settings and select turn off. Now click the save button. Now the setup is completed and now we can check the output.
We can also manually turn on and turn off the fan using the switch.